Is the market tide turning? Are we on the verge of pivotal economic shifts? Good morning, listeners, and welcome to a new episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to unpack the latest market movements and what they mean for you. So let's get into it. Monday's trading session saw stocks ticking higher by late afternoon after a bit of an uneven start to the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed about 0.3% or roughly 100 points, while the Standard & Poor's 500 notched up by 0.3%. Even tech stocks, which had a bit of a rocky beginning, managed to reverse their earlier losses, with the Nasdaq Composite gaining more than 0.1%, so nothing to really be too excited about. Investors are treading cautiously this week, and who can blame them? Everyone's eyes are set on two pivotal events: the upcoming November consumer inflation reading and the Federal Reserve's final policy decision of the year. These could really set the tone for market movements heading into 2024. On Friday, we saw some encouraging jobs data, sparking hopes that the Fed might be able to achieve a so-called soft landing for the U.S. economy, which has been grappling with high borrowing costs. This optimism helped the markets wrap up their sixth consecutive week of gains. The Standard & Poor's 500 and Nasdaq even closed at their highest levels since early 2022. Now, all focus shifts to today's Consumer Price Index data, a crucial indicator that could either strengthen or challenge the current market optimism. With signs of easing inflation, there's a growing expectation that the Fed might hit the pause button on rate hikes this week, and there's even chatter about a potential rate cut before summer rolls around. In corporate news, Macy's shares saw a remarkable surge of over 20% following a $5.8 billion buyout offer. The iconic store chain's board is now mulling over this bid to go private. Well, that's all for today's market roundup. Remember, in these shifting economic times, staying informed is key. Thanks for tuning in to Capital Markets Quickie. Stay savvy and see you in the next episode tomorrow.